Hey everyone, the QRing 3 Pro is the latest iteration of QRing's smart ring lineup, building on the success of its predecessor while introducing notable improvements. One of the key new features is LED notifications, allowing users to receive alerts without constantly checking their phones. This addition enhances convenience, making it easier to stay connected without interruptions. Another major upgrade is the touch control mechanism, which streamlines interactions and provides a more intuitive way to navigate the ring's features. In terms of design, the QRing 3 Pro sports a more rounded shape, giving it a sleeker look and ensuring a more comfortable fit for extended wear. Despite these enhancements, the core functionality remains centered on health tracking. The ring continues to offer essential wellness features, including step counting, distance tracking, and calorie monitoring. It also provides body temperature tracking, allowing users to monitor their average body temperature, fever threshold, hypothermia risk, and normal temperature range. This makes the QRing 3 Pro a valuable tool for individuals who want to keep a closer eye on their health metrics. In addition to temperature monitoring, the QRing 3 Pro includes advanced biometric tracking capabilities. It can measure blood oxygen levels, track heart rate, and monitor resting heart rate, giving users real-time insights into their cardiovascular health. Sleep tracking is another significant feature, analyzing nightly vital signs, sleep duration, and sleep stages to help users better understand their sleep patterns. All of this data can be accessed through a dedicated mobile app, available for download on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. The app provides detailed health insights, making it easier to track progress and set wellness goals. One of the standout aspects of the QRing 3 Pro is its affordability. Despite introducing new features, the smart ring retains the same $99 price tag as its predecessor. As part of a launch promotion, customers who subscribe to the official QRing Store email can receive a $10 discount on a single ring or $50 off when purchasing 2 rings. Additionally, every purchase includes a complimentary charging case, which significantly extends battery life, allowing for a maximum standby time of up to 60 days. Overall, the QRing 3 Pro is a stylish, feature-packed, and budget-friendly alternative to premium smart rings like the Oura. It successfully balances aesthetics, functionality, and affordability, making it an appealing option for those looking to invest in wearable health technology without breaking the bank. Now available for purchase on the QRing Store website, this smart ring offers a compelling mix of innovation and value. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.